Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to turn off the keypad sound on an iPhone. This method works for all iPhone models, no matter which iOS version you are using. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. From the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labelled Sounds and Haptics and tap on it. In this menu, you will find settings that control the system's sounds and vibrations on your device. To disable the keypad sound, the first option is to mute your iPhone completely. You can do this by adjusting the ringer and alert slider. Drag the slider all the way to the left to mute your device. This will turn off the dial pad sounds when making calls, along with other system sounds. Keep in mind that muting your iPhone in this way will also silence your ringtone, so you won't hear incoming call alerts. Another way to turn off the keypad sound is to use the physical ring silence switch on the side of your iPhone. This switch is located just above the volume buttons. Slide the switch down so that you see the orange indicator. When the switch is in the silent position, all system sounds, including the keypad sounds, will be muted. This is a quick and effective way to silence your iPhone during calls. After making these changes, you can test by opening the phone app and pressing the numbers on the dial pad. You will notice that the keypad sound is no longer audible. That's it. That's how you can solve the problem of turning off the keypad sound on your iPhone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.